Today I'm going to be performing a repairability test on this 3-tab roof with wind damage. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the shingle to remove. I'm going to start by unsealing. I'll be using a snake. Okay. So this is going to be our shingle right here. We'll be removing. Continue to unseal. See granules already starting to come off. Now start removing nails. That's pull through right here. So I've already got some pull through going on right here. Little tear. Anyways, I'm gonna continue the video and I'll just take pictures after if any damage has occurred. I'm gonna continue the test. Let's get that from under. That one tore as well with pull through. Okay. Move above. The wind going on. Has pull through as well. Some material. That shingle tore as well. I have one more, hold on. Yeah. All right, we have our shingle. That does not say what it is, but we'll run this in for an ITIL. See some of the pull through going on right there. All right, now we're gonna put in our new shingle. There's a little bit of pull through tear right there. Okay. So I'm gonna insert my new shingle. Level. All right, let's start right here. can see the granules just falling off during this excessive granulation loss. At the top. One more. All right. So that's going to complete my repairability test. I will send in the photos I took along with the video.